Hello girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. I hope you had a very relaxing 4-day weekend. Today, we're going to review what we were working on Thursday. Review means look at something we already learned. We are going to review adding tens and ones. Our first problem is 14 plus 3. So I've set up my number sentence and my pictures to help me. Here's my first question for you. Am I adding ones to 14 in 14 plus 3, or am I adding tens to 14? Yep, I'm adding ones to 14. I'm adding 3 ones. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my ones together. So let's do that right now by counting up my ones. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many ones do I have? Yep, I have 7 ones. So when I add these 3 ones to the 4 ones I already have, I end up with 7 ones. And then I have 1 10 here. So in total, I have 1 10 and 7 ones. What's 1 10 and 7 ones? Yeah, it's 17. So I've showed you that with the picture, but let's try this now with a number bond in our addition sentence like we practiced last week. So remember, the two parts of a two-digit number are its tens and its ones. So the two parts of 14 are 10, because I have 1 10, and 4, because I have 4 ones. Since I'm adding 3 ones, I'm going to be adding 4 and 3. And what's 4 plus 3 again? Yeah, 4 plus 3 is 7. And now that I've added my ones, I need to add my 10. So now I'm going to do 10 plus 7. And what's 10 plus 7? 17. You did great. So that means 14 plus 3 equals 17. All right, let's try this with another problem, okay? We're keeping 14, but now we're adding 2 tens, or 20. So my equation is 14 plus 20. I'm going to start again by looking at my picture. Since I'm adding tens, I'm looking at my tens first because I'm just adding tens, not ones. How many tens do I have? Yeah, I have 3. And how many ones do I have? I have 4. Yeah. So I have 3 tens and 4 ones. And what's 3 tens and 4 ones? Yeah, it's 34. Let's show that with our number sentence now. So because 14 has both tens and ones, it's still the number I'm going to break into its two parts. And remember, since 14 has 1 10 and 4 ones, its parts are 10 and 4. Since I'm adding 20, or 2 tens, I'm going to be adding my tens together and not my ones. So first, I'm going to add 10 plus 20. And what's 10 plus 20 again? That's right. 10 plus 20 equals 30. And then I have my 4 ones, so we'll do those next. What's 30 plus 4? Yep, it's 34. So 14 plus 20 equals 34. I think you can do one last problem. So let's look at this one. I made this one a little tricky on purpose. We're doing 18 plus 3. I'm adding 3 ones to 18. So I should probably count up my ones first. Are you ready? All right. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, that's so interesting. I have 11 ones. I have 1 10 and 11 ones. That seems like a lot of ones. Does that mean, I don't know, does that mean 18 plus 3 is 111? What does that mean? What should I do here? Because this doesn't make much sense to me. Well, okay, I'll look at my ones again. I do have more than 10 ones here. I'm trying to remember, what do I do if I have more than 10 ones? Oh, that's right. I make another group of 10. So maybe I'll do this right now. I'll take 8, 9, 10, and turn it into a new group of 10. So now I have 1, 2 10s and 1 1. So instead of 1 10 and 11 ones, I have 2 10s and 1 1. And this might be easier. What's 2 10s and 1 1? 21. Absolutely. Let's do this with the number bond because I'm curious to see how we do this with the number bond. So we know 18 has both 10s and 1s. We know it has 1 10, so its first part is 10. And we know it has 8 ones, so its second part is 8. And I know I need to add my ones together, so first I'm adding 8 and 3. So let me set that up. 8 plus 3. What's 8 plus 3 again? 11. That's right. 8 plus 3 equals 11, which means my next number sentence, because I need to put my 10 in, is 10 plus 11. So 1 10 and 11 ones is how much again? It's 2 10s and 1 1, which means 10 plus 11 is 21, which means 18 plus 3 equals 21. You guys have been working so hard, and I'm so proud of you. We're going to start a new subject this week that I'm pretty excited for. So stay tuned and keep working on Zearn and keep working on your math packets. I hope you have a lovely day.